This is DJI OSMO Mobile 6, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up this gimbal and how to use this gimbal. And my name is Fawad and welcome to my YouTube channel. I enjoy starting by positioning tripod. Charge the device using the USB-C cable. When the gimbal is on charging, you will see this battery icon when it's fully charged. It takes up to 90 minutes to get fully charged. This is magnetic that goes on your smartphone. Inside the box, you will find these pads. To place them on the side of arm, place the clamp on your phone in the middle like this and ensure that the icon directed toward the camera. Next, you will unfold the gimbal by rotating both of these arms clockwise like so. Then grasp the arm and lift upward. Once you do this, the gimbal will automatically transition into standby. You need to place your phone in vertical position. An easy way to know which way it goes is to align the top of gimbal with the top of clamp and place it like this. Once your phone is correctly placed on gimbal, the gimbal will automatically balance your phone. When the gimbal is off and folded, you also have the option to press this button to verify the battery level. It's also a power button. Hold for 2 seconds and turn on or turn off your gimbal. Now it's time to download DJI official application DJI Memo app. For Android user, it's essential to download app directly from DJI website. Using the version from Play Store won't able to successful connection between your smartphone and the gimbal. Ensure that Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone and ensure it's not connected to any other device. If you have not registered previously, you need to do so. This button right here is a trigger button. Pressing it once activate active tracking. Allow the app to identify object in the center of the frame. Another method to activate the tracking is by drawing a box on the screen. To deactivate active tracking for object you want to cancel, simply press the trigger button once or tap the X button on the green box. If you double press the trigger button, it will automatically back to default mode. If you press and release and hold the trigger button, it will initiate a sport mode. This is particularly handy for capturing fast movement or capturing fast moving objects. On the left side, there is a wheel that serves two functions. First, it controls zooming, and additionally, a single press enables manual focus adjustment mode. The red button is for shutter. A single press capture photo or start a video recording depending on in which mode you are. The M button is responsible for modes. There are 5 different modes in gimbal as displayed on the screen of the gimbal. In follow mode, the horizon level remains locked while allowing you to pan and tilt freely. The horizon and tilt axis are locked while the pan axis remain unlocked. This mode is particularly used for panning movement or orbiting around a subject. POV mode, on the other hand, stimulate a person perspective. In this mode, all 3 axes are unlocked. In this mode produces a cool effect where the camera surrounds the subject, requiring you to use joystick to rotate camera clockwise or counterclockwise. To adjust camera spinning speed, you can modify the joystick speed in the menu. To lock all the axes, simply hold the trigger, which will completely stabilize the gimbal. To attach the extension, simply lift this section of gimbal and position the extension upward at the top. You can also adjust the angle. To capture low angle shots for shooting in this mode, flip the gimbal upside down. I recommend flipping it either left or right side. Now let's get into the Memo app. On the right side, you will find primary functions. Here you can choose various function modes such as video mode and time lapse. This button toggles between main camera and the selfie camera. The shutter button starts recording or capturing a photo. If you are in selfie mode, activation gesture control with this hand icon offer 2 options: follow and shoot. The other option capture media but does not track once activated. Simply show your hand like this or do a gesture. The playback button located here allows you to review your video or pictures. On left column, this icon returns to the home screen. Here you can choose between manual or auto settings for your ISO and shutter speed. Please note that this feature is exclusive to iPhone and not available on other Android devices. Here you can choose your video resolution on iPhone. You can also select different frame rates. However, Android devices are limited to 30 frames per second. This button toggles between beauty effect on or off. In the dots located here, you can select various settings. For instance, in the video setting, you can adjust white balance and enable or disable grid lines on your screen. If you want to calibrate your gimbal, you can go here and press calibrate. This will calibrate your gimbal. This memo app features a story mode consisting of presents or template to aid in creating a short clip with transitions, music and even filters. The memo app features a story mode consisting of presents or templates to aid in creating short clips with transitions, music and even filters. I hope you found this video helpful. Please remember to give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I wish you a good day and see you in next video.